We call this next burping technique the trampoline. The goal is to try and shake out any gas that might be trapped in the lower part of the stomach. With baby facing away from you and holding them under their arms, lift them slightly off the table. And then sit them down again. You are simply using the weight of their body to gently squash the abdominal area. Imagine a water balloon with bubbles trapped at the bottom. By doing the trampoline, you are trying to dislodge gas so that it can bubble upward. Do this for just 30 seconds.